Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Royal Palm Way in Rio Nuevo, same as Ryanova, towards Palm Ridge Close, St. Mary Parish. We are at Palm Ridge Close, which is to the left and right, but we'll be going right firstly. We are at the western end of Palm Ridge Close and we are turning back. Again, on the left is Royal Palm Way, which will take you to Mahogany Close, Pines Close, Oakland Close, and onto the A3 Northern Coastal Highway. We are now at the eastern end of Palm Ridge Close and we are turning back. turning off Palm Ridge Close onto Royal Palm Way, which will take you to Mahogany Close, Pines Close, Oakland Close, and onto the A3 Northern Coastal Highway, as well as towards the famous Ship House. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.